Yeah, I mean, not the start we wanted. Yeah, I mean, that's on the players. Jakey, he didn't have a chance. We weren't good enough in front of him. So, yeah, I mean, not what you want to do in an elimination game.
How do you explain that veteran group, you guys at home, and it just seemed like it just wasn't there? What can you put your finger
on? I don't know. I mean, obviously we had a kill there early, which could have been a really good opportunity for us to get that done and try to build from it. Our kills was great all year, and so we had confidence, but I think obviously didn't get that one and get the kill there, and I mean, they managed to capitalize again after that.
Your team had dominant moments of its own, not just in this game, but in this entire series. Were you guys able to decipher why you didn't get the results from that you wanted?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I guess not doing enough of it. When you're in the conference final, you're playing one of the best teams in the league, and they're obviously a great team who can make you pay. So, I think definitely could have done a better job of, when we're playing with that energy, just keep that going, and not allow them to get into the game with odd man rushes and stuff like that. Yeah.